What's up? We're going to show you how to make a super easy keto teriyaki shrimp in the air fryer today. And it's so easy, all you need is two things. You just need a pound of shrimp, and this is some pre-peeled and deveined shrimp. And we're going to be using some G. Hughes teriyaki sugar-free teriyaki sauce. Sorry. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to marinate the shrimp in a bowl for about 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and dump these in here. Wait. What the f***? These aren't peeled? At least they're deveined. So I'm gonna have to peel these. As soon as I'm done with that, I'll show you the next step. Okay, now that these have been peeled, rinsed, and drained, we're gonna go ahead and add some sugar-free teriyaki marinade. And if you guys haven't tried this, you should definitely give it a try. Just ignore what I was saying here. Apparently I can't read while I'm trying to make a video, and I thought I saw soybean oil on the label. I was wrong. We're gonna start with 2 or 3 tablespoons. It does have 1 carb per tablespoon. Okay, so that was 3 tablespoons. Just gonna go ahead and mix that up, and that looks like it's gonna be plenty. And then once that's done, you just need to let that marinate in the fridge for about 10 minutes. You don't want to leave it in there too long because shrimp gets weird. I don't know the scientific term, but if it marinates and stuff too long, it just gets weird. So we're going to let it marinate for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. While you're waiting on that, you can always eat a piece of cheese. Okay, so we just preheated the air fryer to 390 for 3 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get the shrimp in here. Make sure you get a single layer of them. You don't want to crowd them. And these are going to go really quick. You're only going to do them on 2 minutes for the first side, and then maybe 1 minute for the second side. So we're going to go ahead and do the first 2 minutes now. Then you just want to flip each one over really just shake it around if you want, but I'm weird and I like to flip them all over individually. You know what? We're actually going to put them back in for about 2 more minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so right here I have just a bowl of some pre-made. It was microwavable, Green Giant, vegetable spirals, I think it's zucchini. We're just going to pour some on top of there. And I'm going to add some everything but the bagel seasoning to mine. That's it. That's how you make keto teriyaki shrimp in the air fryer.